Here we have a Kaeser compressor. This is a rotary screw compressor. It's a 5 horsepower. Right here is your compartment. This is right here is your pump. Down here is your motor. You're supposed to have a rotation right here. You follow this arrow, that's your rotation. Here's your cooler. And over here are your controls. That's your hours. And this is your start stop right up here. We'll go ahead and close it up and run it. And actually I'll turn it on, you guys can see it running, and then I'll close it up.